Reagan, and today we're going to do how to move water with electricity. So what you need is a light ring faucet, a plastic comb, and hair. So for this trick, you're going to want to brush your hair really fast, okay? So you're going to do one.
Whoa.
I don't see it moving.
No? It kind of moved.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Logan, get the faucet. Ooh. You see it, Logan?
Yeah.
Nice. That's so cool.
You want to see mine?